place this plant on your leg and stop spending money at the pharmacy, you're very welcome. I'm Shanti, and you're watching the Drink to Glow channel. In today's video, you'll learn about the benefits of placing this plant on your leg. So make sure to stay until the end of the video to catch this amazing tip. First, let me know in the comments, what is this plant called in your country? Here we call it the Sword of St. George, but I know that in some places it's called mother-in-law's tongue or snake plant. Its scientific name, however, is Sansevieria trifasciata. So if you want to learn more about this plant or find out what it's called in your country, just search for Sansevieria trifasciata. To start, you'll need to choose 2 leaves from the plant. The leaves should be pest-free, not dry, and not yellow. You want healthy, full, and vibrant leaves. I've got 2 perfect ones right here, and these are what I'll be using. Now, I'm going to show you how to use Sansevieria trifasciata to take advantage of the incredible benefits this plant offers, all for free, straight from nature. And of course, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button below so I can track how far my videos are reaching. Here's what you do before you go to sleep. Take 1 leaf from the Sansevieria trifasciata, also known as the Sword of St. George, mother-in-law's tongue, or snake plant. Depending on where you live, place it on the shin area of your leg like this. Then use some plastic wrap or film to secure it around your leg, making sure it stays in direct contact with your skin. This plant can be a lifesaver for the problem you're currently dealing with, and it can even help protect your family's health. After securing 1 leaf on one leg, repeat the process with the other leg. Now, you might be wondering, Josiah, why are you putting these leaves on your leg? Well, let me explain. This plant has incredible purifying properties. It purifies the air, so if you suffer from a persistent cough, bronchitis, asthma, or any other respiratory issue, this plant can help. If you've already tried everything, medications, syrups, and nothing's worked, just using the leaf of this plant can heal that stubborn cough. Additionally, it will purify the air in your home, making it cleaner and healthier to breathe. There are no side effects and no contraindications. Another amazing thing about this plant, it has the power to repel negative spirits and energy. This leaf can remove all negative energy from your home. After sleeping with the leaves wrapped around your legs, you can remove them in the morning. And the best part, you don't need to throw the leaves away. Instead, you can plant them. Take the used leaf and bury it in a new pot. This plant reproduces quickly and easily, so new sprouts will grow from that leaf. If you don't want to plant the leaves, simply place them in water. That way, you can reuse the same leaf the next day. No need to keep cutting new leaves from your plant every time. Just use the same leaf, and when morning comes, leave it in water. By night, it'll be ready to use again. If you don't want to do this every day, at least try it twice a week. You'll notice significant improvements in your health. If you enjoyed this video, give this method a try at home. I'm sure that if it works for you, you'll want to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I hope this tip helps. Take care, God bless you, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.